Guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add velocity to your videos. So let's get started. Let's go to import any video clips. I choose one video, so bring it down to your timeline. Just click now and just make yourself comfortable. First play the video and please observe how the speed of that video clip. And then just copy that first clip to a second order. Just right click on that, go to velocity, just make it upwards, so it means the speed of the video is increased. So just play it now. So you can observe the video is still playing much more faster than the normal. And do same for the next clip. Copy and paste and bring it down that velocity downward. Now you can observe that video will be playing like very in a slow motions, like you can observe that thing. Final output normal speed is like this, and in higher speed where you increase velocity, that means the video is very much slower. The video is very slow, so you have a decrease that velocity.